Hey guys, this is Yuzafa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. I am about to tell you one story. There was a person who was studying, who was just having an education as a normal type, a 10 plus 2 education. So, from childhood only, he was having a dream to become a scientist or to achieve something or to achieve success, fame, and glory. So he continued his journey until 12th as a normal regular student he studied, and after that he has cleared the engineering entrance exam. Now everyone sees a dream like to be engineer or doctor, but no one thinks what he or she is possessing the particular skill that can help you, that can help themselves to achieve that fame, glory, recognition and all that. So as usual, his parents want this child to become an engineer as a doctor, and so he enrolled for engineering. And what he find that he was not able to cope up with the situation, cope up with the standards, cope up with that level. So he just thought that my life is nothing, but I am working from other person. It's not my wish to become an engineer or a doctor, but somehow I am trying and I am managing and I am helping my parents and I am doing my work as a society. But soon what he realized that engineering was not his core. Engineering was not that keeps him motivated or keeps him on track or energizes him or wakes up in the morning every day feeling great. So he shifted to one of his other career path. He goes into acting, he goes into theater and practice every day. Now the study which was there in engineering was left behind. Just in 2 years of joining the engineering, he left that study, and now he was focusing on theater, on filming, on acting, and he tried so hard and achieved a tremendous breakthrough in his career as an actor, as a performer. And he tried hard, and one day came where he got a biggest opportunity to be on a large screen in a particular film, and that film was successful. People were now able to recognize him. He was gaining fame, he was gaining glory, he was gaining money, recognition, all those which he has dreamed for, he is getting. And so he was very much happy with his life. He always wanted to surrounded by girls, he always wanted to be recognized wherever he goes, society praises him, all that stuff which he had dreamed for came to be true. Now what our human psychology is, when we achieve something we always think of something more. So at particular level, when that person he has achieved that fame and glory, he thinks that it is not enough, let us try more, let us get involved more. And so he tried more and more, and what he find that he is not actually able to satisfy himself. He is not that happy person, he is not that person who can cherish life, because you cannot go out in public when you are an actor or when you are a celebrity. You cannot do certain things when you are an actor or when you are a celebrity as compared to a normal being. So this person was inside not feeling good, and so what he find, what is the solution of this? He find that the power lies in the present moment, in the now. Don't think about future, don't think about past, but just live in yourself and live in the now. Now is the thing. Now is the moment that keeps you happy, that keeps you motivated, that keeps you energized. So this person, after achieving so much in his life, he was now thinking of giving up all these things and just live a normal life, a normal peaceful life where he can go, where he is free from all the burdens of the life, where he can go wherever he want and where he can achieve anything he want. So the motto of this story is the power of now. We must live in the now moment, in the present moment, and you can get that now moment by focusing on your breathing, by focusing on your inner side, by doing meditation, mindfulness meditation. And the story that I have told about was none other than Sushant Singh Rajput, the guy who has amazing dreams and have achieved so much success in his life, but yet given up his life due to some circumstances. So this is a very big lesson for all of us. What is the real key of happiness? It is in the now, it is in the present moment. Cherish it, don't give up. Don't think you are not good enough. We are good enough, we are capable, we can do anything, we can achieve anything. The power lies in the now. Yes, so what is the outcome of all this? The outcome of all this is no money, fame, and glory is the real happiness. The real happiness is to find peace with yourself, to find peace with your inner self. That is the real happiness. You see, at the end, Sushant Singh Rajput gave up his life, but he left all the legacy that he has built. All fame, all money, all glory, it doesn't serve you. And from beginning only he has understood these things. That's the reason I am telling, this was the real story of Sushant Singh Rajput. There was a video about this which was shared on PewDiePie YouTube channel. You can check that out. That's the amazing video. I definitely recommend you to check that out. It tells you the reality of the life, and Sushant Singh was already aware of it. So it was not suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput, but it was a murder of Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant Singh Rajput was full of positivity, inspiration, motivation. He cannot give up his life. He already know what is the reality, what is the secret of the life. So it is very much, it is not possible that he can do suicide. And I definitely encourage you to check that video on PewDiePie YouTube channel, where he explains the whole video, and it was a talk given in the engineering college from Sushant Singh Rajput. So I definitely urge you to check that out. It will tell you immense reality. It is the same story, but much elaboration is there, much insights is there, much knowledge is there, and you will learn so much from them. So this was a message from my end. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the creator of your own life. We are the co-creator of your life. We can create and we can manifest anything into our life. We can become any damn thing you want, right? Peace.